So, ich denke, bevor wir mit der Story führen, aber weiter, da will ich gerne Kommentare gesehen, falls in online noch guckt. Okay, ich checke von Doremund. Ist ja gut nicht hier gekommen, das Kehr, also gestern. Okay. So. Eine Waffe. Gegenstand wechseln. Nee. Ich kann noch so, Mann. Oh. B-Garts. Was halt echt extra ist. Ich gucke mal. Nee. Das ist fest. Okay, was tun wir hier? Hier ist nicht extraes. Hey, was gehst du auch mit? Was das heißt speziell? Was ist das Spezielles? Okay. With Olaf. Hi, Wiz. How are you? Do you know this game too? Okay. Oh, I'm. Okay. Repeat shots. Here, peace zone. Okay, look upstairs. Thanks, and yes. Playing it now. Ah! You want to play it now? Okay, why not? Okay, cool. Okay, I don't know what here is to do. I think this game you can play together. I think. If you want, we can try it one time. But you must explain me, perhaps, how we do it. Okay. What language you speak? What language you speak? Exception English. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. That's very fine. Okay. And why you want to subscribe me? Is that because I play this game? I am Portuguese, but I live in America. Ah, okay. Okay. So you only speak English and Portuguese. Cool, cool. Oh, thank you. You are also cool. So, I have many problems with these games. With this game, it's the second time I play it, but I don't know where I must go. You like my stream? Okay. What's that here? I don't know where I must go. If somebody have an idea to go, okay, my map. Maybe you mean that? Yeah, that's to. So that's my map. And then tell me where I must go, because it's now the second day. I don't know where to go, where I must go. Okay, I'm waiting your message. Ah, and where is it? This. Okay. So I must go right. Okay, I'm there. Where is the green point? Look, normally. Here, in the middle. And then, right down, there is this sign. Okay. So I must go right down. If I am wrong, so tell me. Okay, yes, I understand. Yeah, right. I'm not far. Okay. I think I'm out. I know now where to go. I must choose another way. Somehow you have to right, then down, then right again. Yeah, but I must find another way to go there. But I know now. So. Okay. Oh, what's that? Okay. Must go here. Here. I'm now here. No. I must go again down. Where are you from, France? You mean my nationality? I'm Filipino, my nationality, but I live in Luxembourg. That's in Europe. Maybe you know that. Maybe you know where is Luxembourg. Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh, I'm dead. There's nowhere is that is friend. Okay. What language you speak? I speak Luxembourgish, German, French, Tagalog, and little English. Okay. Looking at the cards. Okay. Let's go there. I'm again a noob. Oh. Oh, very good. Well, I think not. But thank you. Okay. So the next way I must go, that is maybe, yeah, down left. Must go again down and then left. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh, I hate this man. Yeah, this guy. Okay. I'm here. So that's the B side. B sides, A sides. Okay, you know I understand. C sides. So yeah, now I must find a way to go to B sides. This. Okay. So thank you. So I understand more what I must do now. Look, I check A side, the A side, it's finished. B side is finished. Now I must finish the C side. Okay, I understand now. Okay. No, it's not this. Okay, so. Hello, hello?
Must be important. Obey.
Where you have family?
Sir.
In Luxembourg? Ah, you was already in Luxembourg. Friend, you say you speak German also. I have family there. Ah, in Germany. Yes, I live not far from Germany. So I must do something with this man. Where in Germany?
Where do you think you're going? Back to your post, now!
Okay, try it again.
Must be important. Obey. Yes, sir.
Okay. Upstairs. Okay. Ah, okay. Now I know. Okay. I know now what is to do. Okay, I must go there. Then upstairs. Oh. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ah, too late.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I must do hurry up. So, I'm upstairs. Okay, up to the next level. I look my map. Yes, seaside. I'm here. Left. Okay. No, I'm coming from here. Okay. I want to look what is here. Oh! So he's dead. Okay. No. I was already here, I think. No, I don't need to go here. I was already here. So go back. Oh. I cannot go back. Ah, no. Ah, that's the wrong way. I don't know how to go back. So I must use the same way again one time. What's that? I was coming from here. Why I... Guys, close. But from where I was coming? What I'm doing? Okay. So now the doors are open because I must kill our people first. No, from here it's the wrong way. Let's go down. So I must go here inside. Then here's the general.
Well, it's hard-boiled chicken, the original of war. You know, I read up all about your exploits on the internet. Quite impressive. But now prepare to die.
Oh, I see now. Whis, thank you for that you have give me a subscribe. Oh. 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 So is that. Oh. Yes.
Try a different strategy. We'll attack him from above and below.
Move. Uh-oh. I'm dead. No, I'm dead.
Well, it's hard-boiled chicken, the original of war. You know, I read up all about your exploits on the internet. Quite impressive. But now prepare to die. Storm Penguin 44, kill that chicken. Centurion 54. Replace Storm Penguin 44. Come on, he cannot be that hard to kill. Okay, let's try a different strategy. We'll attack him from above and below. If you want something done right, you gotta do it yourself.
Yes.
If you want something done right, you gotta do it yourself.
So, Leute, die noch geguckt haben, vielmals merci. Aber wenn ihr Lust habt, abonniert den Kanal.